squad. What's poppin', man? So we're in the middle of a workout, right? And the camera came, baby. Can't wait to open it. It's something for you. I don't know why they put it on the front step.
What is it?
It's Blue Cross Blue Shield, I guess.
Oh.
So, yeah. Baby. I'm gonna unbox it right after this workout, man.
Wait, we got another workout after this workout.
Huh?
We got another workout after this workout.
Somebody walk?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but right after we walk, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna unbox the new camera for y'all, man. Can't wait, super excited, super stoked. That's the right word.
Yep.
Super stoked. Let's get it.
You now tuned in to the best rapper alive. No cap. Yo. Skizzy, hustle like a Nipsey.
I know y'all need a little motivation. That is what you call a money rug. And these are Jordans, and I'm stepping on the money. That's lying corn. You can step on it.
You're lying though.
Step on it, corn. Step on the money. Let's show how much you care about money. Step on the money. Damn, so pretty. Real pretty. Step on the money. YouTube squad, what's poppin', man? Same day, different vlog, you dig what I'm saying? What I'm about to do right now, I'm about to unbox my camera. My camera finally came. I'm finna unbox this thing, man. Show it to y'all, cause we gonna do this together. You know what I'm saying? Because you guys played a big part in me being able to purchase this camera. Also, I wanna thank God. You know what I'm saying? I wanna thank that beautiful woman right there. I gotta thank myself. I work hard, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I work hard as hell. You can ask anybody. I work extra hard, man. Like, I got 2 months off, man. I said, okay, with the 2 months I got off, I'm dropping vlogs every day. 1 to 2 vlogs a day. You know what I'm saying? You can ask QUONA. Yesterday, my internet was messing up, but I almost cried because I wanted to give y'all this work, man. No cap. But without further ado, we finna open up this camera, man. We finna get into it. There's the camera. QUONA.
Yes.
You gonna record me open up the camera?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Let's get it. Christmas came early, bro. Christmas came early. That how you used to act on Christmas?
Yeah, it used to be super
Check it out.
excited.
Bam! I like them sound effects you make. Man. Y'all just don't know, bro.
Alright, open it up.
Been a long time coming, dog. We've been vlogging with a GoPro for like 2 years, bro.
Okay.
Oh man.
Oh, that joint is nice.
Bam.
So that's the zoom in thing? That's the
Yeah, it came
lens?
It came with the lens.
Oh, so if
Special lens, you did what I'm saying.
that looks good.
Yeah, it can come off or whatever.
Okay, you don't have to take it off.
Right here, it's the battery.
Okay. You want to keep recording it?
Yeah, keep recording. Now, let's turn it on. Hey y'all, so I finally got it on. Gangsta. Hey man, I'm so excited, man, about my camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't thank y'all enough for this, man. Like, for real, bro. Y'all the reason. Y'all the reason, man. Yeah. I want to thank God. I want to thank my beautiful wife. Gangsta. Yeah, for real. Get out, Logan. Get out. Diego, get out. Get out. Outside, bro. Man, I just want to have a conversation with y'all, the squad. I just want to say, appreciate y'all, man. Like, for real, bro. Like, appreciate my wife. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate God, bro. Y'all don't know how much this means to me, bro. This means so much to me, dog. Like this means so much to me. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, appreciate you. Appreciate y'all for real. Nigga, I almost wanna cry, man. But yeah, the quality finna be turned up. Once again, man, thank y'all. Thank God. Thank my wife, man. So I'll see y'all again on another video. I'm signing out. Call me done. Let's go.